Hey man, check this out. Propane burner a la Jamie Thomas. Yeah. Now we gonna. There it is, right yonder, man. I got a number 60 propane tip drilled in that little pipe, and some air hose and a copper flare, and I'm gonna crack open the juice, get a little fire up in this mug. Oh, come on now, you mother. Okay. Won't. Ooh. Okay. I'm gonna turn the juice on up. Come on now. Now we cooking. That mug is pumping some heat, man. Look at the cone on that rascal. Hold my hand out here about 4 foot in front of it. Oh my God. No, man, that ain't happening. Man, no. Yeah, look at that, man. Look at that. Well, let's see. Going back to go this way with the flare tip. Sucking harder. Yeah, but that's not as hot.